Hello everyone! In this tutorial video, we will look at the security features provided by Bluehost web hosting service. But before that, like and subscribe to this channel if you want similar educational videos like this. Bluehost is a popular web hosting service provider globally with the best security features and excellent web functionalities. Bluehost was founded in the year 2003. It is majorly characterized by cheap, reliable, and easy-to-use site features. The Internet host service provider has attracted the most customers compared to other web hosting service providers, making it more vulnerable to cyber attacks. However, Bluehost has reinforced its security mechanisms to ensure that its customers' sites are more secured. The security mechanisms availed by Bluehost includes the following. Secure Security System. This is a full-featured compact security system that comes along with amicable security measures. The package is acquired freely, but premium versions are also available, characterized by improved and integrated security features. The secure system features the following characteristics: file monitoring options, continuous security activity auditing, malware scanning. Google site browsing security features are also available for premium versions. The Defender. The Defender allows for two-factor authentication. Bluehost offers a two-factor authentication process. This provides an increased security system in the entity and prevents hackers from accessing your account with ease. The Defender plugin comes along with premium options that are most improved and developed to meet user-specified needs. Both the free and premium versions come with an excellent emailing technique that notifies the user of any malicious activity at the website. Vault-Free plugin. This plugin was majorly developed for backing up services. The technique entails general features such as, for example, malware scanning email notifications in cases of malicious activity spotted. iTheme Security. The plugin automatically fixes any form of breaches noticeable on the website. It achieves this by automatically scanning through the website, identifying all forms of defects arising from the website, and recommending the possible preventive mechanisms installed to combat the spotted flaw. Premium versions are available and come along with additional excellent and more integrated features. All-in-one WordPress. The plugins work the same as the iTheme Security, only that, all-in-one Word, the press can liaise with other plugins to initiate a good working environment. Emailing technique is also available in the plugin. Account Validation Token. The web hosting firm provides a validation token for Bluehost users. The permit is visible at the bottom of one's panel. The 6-digit code guarantees a personal security system. When one needs to contact the support panel, they only need to avail their validation token and get everything done by providing their user login credentials to the support panel. Single sign-on features. Bluehost's newly updated features state out that only one login is available at a single second. This reinforces the security system, making it more ideal for use. Daily automatic WordPress updates. Daily automatic scans for malware and other vulnerabilities. The site scans its entities daily in an attempt to keep making them more secure and consistently reinforced. This helps identify and track down any form of security weakness, the areas which require more focus, and in case of any hacking, the records in the entity can help identify the specific dates when the hacking was carried out. Bluehost is built on a site to prevent spam. The site has built-in features that hinder bloggers, spammers, and other malicious personnel from attempting to invade your area. Bluehost offers other additional features. The site includes other security control features whose configuration is secured entirely from attacks and invasion by external hackers. The components consist of firewall, DDoS protection, rate limiting, bot, management VPN, and caching services. The Secure Socket Layout. Secure Socket Layer plugin refers to an Internet protocol specifically designed for securing the information shared between the user's browser and the website they're visiting. Google ranks all non-SSL sites as insecure. Thus, for more trust and security, please consider the SSL certification. The certification comes in two forms: free certification and paid certification. Suppose you intend to run an information-based site, for example, a blogging site. Then the free SSL certification would be the ideal certification for you. However, if you run an e-commerce transaction-based site, or generally a site that entails login, entering personal information, then a paid SSL certification would be the ideal accreditation. Domain privacy. Domain privacy refers to a security feature provided by Bluehost web hosting services that hide a person's contact information from the public. Whois.com requires every website owner to display their personal information publicly for easy identification and tracking. However, other website users may decide to hide their contact information for their security concerns. The advantages of hiding one's personal information include: one avoids malware and blocklist activities. One avoids receiving messages and conversations from hackers and spammers. One avoids unwanted emails and phone calls. Fraud transfer of domains are evaded. Like and subscribe to this channel if you want similar educational videos like this. We really feel motivated when you like and subscribe.